You're watching Local 2, Midland, Odessa. Now, your Local 2 Weather Authority forecast.
Welcome back, everybody. Health index today still low for just about everything: trees, grass, mold, and weeds. This all courtesy of Dr. John D. Bray. Now, almanac for today. Once again, another very hot day in the basin, seeing 105 today. Just got there too, well above average, and only about 2 degrees below our record back in 1994. The year Schindler's List won Best Picture in the Oscars. 79 for the low today. That's also well above average. Now, right now, still very hot outside. Just getting to the peak heat temperatures for the day, seeing 104 right now. 12 mile an hour for wind speeds, pretty dry too, 22%, but we do have a chance of thunderstorms, so hopefully that can cool things down and give us a little bit of moisture in the air in the next couple hours, even next couple days too. Weather alerts, still seeing heat advisories just about everywhere in the basin in effect until Thursday, could stick around until Friday, but just to the east of us in Big Spring, they're not seeing any heat advisories right now, so enjoy your slightly cooler temperatures over there. 100 degrees, 107 in Wink, though 108 in Pecos, and then seeing 107 down on the border, Presidio and the Big Bend at 107 and 106, and also seeing 104 up in Carlsbad and Hobbs. So New Mexico, a little hot there as well. Temperatures are going to be another hot one again tomorrow, near 105 for the high. Late afternoon, seeing 102, 105 readings, and then going to continue into the later parts of the afternoon. And then going into Friday, going to be hot again, but slightly cooler, just a little bit, a lower high, about 103, but still pretty hot, getting close to that 105 mark once again. Temperatures right now, 92 in Lubbock, 90 in Amarillo. El Paso feeling the heat too, 102, 103 down in Del Rio. A little bit cooler down along the coast, 91 in Corpus Christi and Brownsville, 91 in Houston, 97 in the capital, and then seeing 96 over in Dallas-Fort Worth. Not too much to show on the satellite radar, at least in the east. We're seeing some thunderstorms, though, just to the north of us outside of the viewing area in the Lubbock area, as well as up in the Panhandle. Then coming down here into the Permian Basin, we're seeing some thunderstorms right out in the southeastern portion of New Mexico. These thunderstorms have actually died down in the last couple of hours, but you can still see Andrews County getting hit pretty hard right now. And then heading over to Brewster County, Reeves County, Presidio County as well, seeing some thunderstorms, and then you're also seeing them over up in Reeves County as well. So be safe out there. Enjoy your, well, not really having too much of an effect on the cooler temperatures. Still very hot in Pecos, 108, but we are expecting to see more thunderstorms the next couple hours. If there's ever a time we needed rain in the Permian Basin, it'd be right now because it's very dry. Fortunately, we have a water surplus, no droughts right now, but we keep this up, we could be seeing that, but hopefully we'll continue to get these small rain showers we've been getting on and off the last couple of days. Humidity levels still very dry throughout the entire Permian Basin, especially out into the west. Thunderstorms not really having an effect on the humidity, still very dry in the southeastern portion of New Mexico. A little bit better down in Alpine. They're getting those thunderstorms 39%, then down on the border 14% in Presidio and the Big Bend Mountains, and then seeing 12% over in Pecos. Now, wind speeds also seeing a good amount of wind out in the east, 16 in Big Spring and 12 up in Seminole, then seeing 17 in the Guadalupe Mountains, then 21 in Marfa, where they're seeing some thunderstorms right now. Peak gust or wind gust right now, I should say, 22 in Big Spring, 21 up in Seminole, and then peak gust for today saw a decent amount of wind in the Guadalupe Mountains, 28, 17 in Presidio and the Big Bend, not too much there, and then 29 for peak gust in Fort Stockton. Now, looking at your basin temperatures for tonight, going to be another mild night. Temperatures in the low 70s, some high 70s though in Andrew at 79 for the low. And then tomorrow, 105 in Andrews, 103 in Jow, 99 in Lovington. Central Basin, another hot one. Temperatures near the 105 mark tomorrow. 105 in Odessa, Midland, 101 in Garden City, and Cope Ranch at 101. Crane at 103. Trans-Pecos, high 70s tonight. Fort Stockton, 77. Sanderson, 75. And then tomorrow, Sanderson 101, Fort Stockton 105, Pecos 106 for the high. And then going into the mountains, expect temperatures 68 in Fort Davis, Valentine 68, Marfa 68. Then tomorrow, Presidio up to 106 in the Big Bend Mountains. Expect that to be at 106 as well. Looking at the 7-day forecast, just more hot temperatures on the way. 105 on Thursday, 103 on Friday. Then slight cool down Saturday, Sunday down into the low hundreds. Then could be back into the 90s next week, Tuesday and Wednesday. But notice we have the 20% chance of thunderstorms Thursday, Friday, Sunday, Monday. You know, if there's ever a time we wanted to see rain in the Permian Basin, it'd be right now, because we could use that brief period of cool down that comes with that every time we see some slight thunderstorms.
Yeah, the pattern we've seen the last couple of days, hot during the day, but then, you know,
a little bit of rain here
yeah,
at the nighttime. Yeah, we need it.
We need it. All right, Ryan, thanks for that. A popular gift has been recalled. The U.S. Consumer Product Safety Commission is recalling 500,000 hoverboards due to fire hazard.